Hey everybody, good morning, Rob. Guys, this is a quick video for people who are updating or upgrading to a new computer because they need to use Windows 11 and their old computer uses Windows 10. And there's not a really good way to use Windows 11 with their old computer and still get the security updates. So that's where I'm at. I looked into it and I have an old HP desktop computer and running Windows 10, it's a great computer, still works fine, but I can't use a new operating system. So I looked around and I decided to continue using HP. This one was about 519 on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the video description. 32 gig of RAM, and it's got 1 terabyte of storage. It's got 3 ports on the front for all the stuff I need. It does not have a CD player. Eh, most people don't use those anymore anyway. But the main thing I want to let you know in this video is if you are going to go through this process, you probably have an old monitor too. If you have an old monitor, it's not going to work with a new computer. So you're just going to need to get an adapter. They're really inexpensive. This is a pretty good one from what I understand. So that's going to save you a lot of time. I hate working with computers or doing anything and find out I need a new program or software or hardware. And you got to stop and wait days now to get going again. And when you get your computer, order this too. I'll leave a link to both of these in the video description. And I wish there was a way I could give you a link to some way we could um, dope slap all these people that are trying to to mess with our security on our computers, so we wouldn't need to worry about updates. Um, we're going to go to Mars one day, but we still can't dope slap people over the internet that are trying to steal from us or scam us. It's just that's the app I want. That's the feature I'm looking for. All right, guys. I shouldn't have said that. All right. Take care, everybody. If you're thinking about a good computer, I think this is a good one. Desktop, very small footprint. And the last one I had from HP, it's still run 10 years that's like $1 a week. So, all right, I'm rambling. Take care. Good luck, everybody. See you out there.